There's a new little tiny bird that's in my backyard. Just spotted in the last couple days. It's out there with the starlings right now. And they're like little sparrows, but they have these little yellow stripes on their head and under their wings of yellow. You see, this guy. Wish my camera could zoom in a little bit more, but unfortunately, it can't. But if it could, you could see how bright the yellow is on the little guys. It's really like a bright mustard yellow on their like cheeks, and some of them have them on their head and then or by their eye. Look at, there's one here. Maybe he's gonna come up on the porch. Nope. I just never seen the yellow striped little, I don't know, I'm gonna investigate and find out what these little fellows are. Whoop. Uh-oh, big bird. Scared him all the way. Maybe it's my crow friends. Yep, I see a few. Okay, let's see. Let's zoom back in on those tiny little babes. Yeah, they really like our grass. But they're new little, and there's some little, yeah, look at, you could maybe, oh, let me see the yellow. Uh-oh, what's happening? Oh, the blue jays are busting up the party here. The blue jays coming up. Oh, hey, where's my peanuts? Where's my peanuts, lady? Sorry, I'll bring you some. A little bit. But yeah, scared all the little, oh, they're coming back now. They said, we're too hungry. Yeah, but these guys are really cute. I just never seen this type of bird. They look sparrowy, but they look very racer, like racer birds. I don't know, but they're really cute and new to my backyard, so we shall see. It's probably boring you guys, but not me. And you can barely see him right there. There he is on the grass, pecking away. But I'm gonna try to get a closer picture and investigate what kind of bird it is. Okay, bye-bye.